Hello friends. Now in today's class, here are some questions for revision. See, it is about minute hand started from 3. This is question from chapter number 4, tick tick tick, about clock. Minute hand started from 3. How many minutes will it take to reach 2? So see, this is your clock now. It is 12, like that. This is the picture of clock. Now see, this is minute hand. Now each minute hand, this minute hand has to start from this 3 and then has to reach where 2. अब उसे यहाँ पर 2 पर पहुँचना है, but it will not move like that. It will not move like that. It has to move like that and then again reach to the 2. अब इस हैंड को, मिनट हैंड को इस तरह मूव करके it has to reach to 2. And then how many minutes it will take to reach that 2. और वो 2 तक पहुंचने के लिए कितना मिनट लेगा. तो सी, इट इज पिक्चर ऑफ क्लॉक अगेन. सी, इट इज नाउ 3 at 3. Now start from here. It will be reach here. Then 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 25, then 20. देखिए 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Then it is 50 and 55. So what is this? Say it is start from here now. 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55. So how many it will take minute beta? It will take 55 minutes. It will take 55 minutes to reach that. It will take 55 minutes to reach that 2 तक पहुंचने के लिए उसको कितना टाइम लगेगा? इट विल टेक 55 मिनट्स. चलिए, इट विल टेक नाउ 55 मिनट्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट, सी द मिनट हैंड स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 6. जो मिनट हैंड है, that minute hand started from 6. How many minutes will it take to reach back 6? अभी आपका जो मिनट हैंड है, it has been started from 6 now. आपका जो मिनट हैंड वो 6 से स्टार्ट हुआ है. ठीक है, इट इज 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Now it is at 6 now. Now it has to start from 6 and again come back to the, has to reach to 6 और 6 पर वापस पहुंचना है उसको, और वापस 6 पर ही पहुंचना है. देखिए 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8 एंड अगेन हैज टू रीच एट 6. फिर उसे 6 पर ही पहुंचना है. तो हाउ मच इट विल टेक? सी, फ्रॉम हियर टिल इट इज 5 मिनट्स, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and then it will be take 60 minutes. 60 minutes means what? It will be take 1 hour. तो क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? See, it will take 60 minutes. It will take 60 minutes. That 60 minutes means what beta? It is equal to 1 hour. It is equal to 1 hour. See, so from here it will take 60 minutes and then 60 minutes equal to means what? 1 hour. Yes. Now it will take 60 minutes. It equal to 1 hour. Now next, see, there are 148 fruits in a basket. उस बास्केट में कितने फ्रूट्स हैं? There is a one basket of fruit and there are the 148 fruits in a basket. If 72 are mangoes, उसमें 72 क्या है? मैंगोज है. And remaining are apple, और बचे हुए क्या है? एप्पल्स है. Then how many apples are there in a basket? तो फिर उस बास्केट में कितने एप्पल्स हैं? तो सी, टोटल फ्रूट्स कितना हुआ बच्चों? इट इज 148. टोटल फ्रूट्स कितना है? 148. Then सी, नंबर ऑफ मैंगोज कितना है बेटा? यहाँ पर 72. नंबर ऑफ मैंगो कितना है? It is 72. Then see, number of apple. तो व्हाट अबाउट नंबर ऑफ एप्पल? नंबर ऑफ एप्पल इक्वल टू सी 148 minus the total fruit minus number of this mango. Then if you will, whatever you will minus, whenever you will minus this 148 and 72 means 72 from 148. So see what is your answer here now? 148 minus 72. So what is 148? 148 is total number of fruits and 72 is number of mango, and your difference means it will be remaining number, and that will be number of apple. So see, it is 6. 8 minus 2 6. Now 4 minus 7. The 4 is smaller, so we have to take carry from here. Then it will be 14, and 14 minus 7 it is 7, and it is 0. Means it is 76. So what is this? It is 76. Then how many apples are there in a basket? तो उस basket में कितने apples है? तो क्या लिखेंगे बेटा यहाँ पर? There are 76 apples in a basket. Okay? Means 76 apple है and 72 mango. Their total is 148. Next. In a class, there are 182 students. एक क्लास है, उस क्लास में 182 स्टूडेंट्स हैं. 92 आर गर्ल्स. देन फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ बॉयज. देन फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ बॉयज. देखिए, टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स is equal to 182. Is equal to 100. Total number of students is equal to 182. Then number of girls कितना है? Number of girls it is equal to 92. It is equal to total number of students equal to 182. Number of girls equal to 92. 92, and then see number of boys equal to what? Number of boys equal to what? It is 182 minus 92. Minus 92. So see what is difference between this 182 minus 92. Minus 92. See 2 minus 2 0. Then it is again 8 minus 9 नहीं होगा बेटा. 8 is smaller than 9. So we have to take carry from here. Then it will be 18. The 18 minus 9 it is 9. Then it is equal to 90. It is equal to 90. So what is this? What is 90? 90 is number of boys in that class. So see, we can write there are 90 boys in a class. There are 90 boys in a class. Now next, write the short form of the following. Write the short form of the following. It is 40,000, 8,629. Now what we have to write? This is expounded form. From this expounded form we have to write what number will be there. So what is that number? It is called short form. उसे बोलते हैं short form. देखिए, it is 40,000, 8,629. So इसमें 40 and 8 it is 48,000. Then 629. So what is this? It is 48,629. Next, see 90,000, 4,753. So what is this? 90 and 4, 94. It is 94,753. 753. 94,753. 94,753. Next, see, it is 70,000, 3,860 and 9. See, 70,000, 3,860 and 9. So what is this? It is 73,000. Then it is 869. 869. क्या हुआ यहाँ पर? 73,869. Now last one. See, 40,000, 5,864. 40,000, 5,864. So what is this? 40 and 5, it is 45, 45,000, then 864. 864. Next, see, what will be 45 minutes before 4:20? आपका भी बिफोर, तो सी बच्चों, यहाँ पर आपका भी क्लॉक का पिक्चर है, सी द पिक्चर ऑफ क्लॉक नाउ, and in this picture, see, the time is given 4:20 here. It is 4:20. What is this? It is 4:20. Now what will be time? What will be 45 minutes before 4:20? अब 4:20 के पहले आपको 45 मिनट्स कितना होगा देखिए. तो बिफोर मीन्स थोड़ा उल्टे जाएंगे बेटा हम, ये कि यहाँ से यहाँ जाएंगे ऐसे. इट विल बी 5 मिनट्स, 5 मिनट प्लान, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, 20 मिनट्स, then 25, 30, 35, 40 and 45. So your minute hand will become back to 7. So see, your new picture will be like that. Like this, it is 6. Your new picture will be, minute hand will be here, and then this hour hand will be again move back here. It will be between 3 and 4. Now see, what is this time now? It is 3 o'clock 35 minutes. What is this? It is 3 o'clock 35 minutes. See, first of all, it was at 4 minute hand. It was at 4. Now it moved back 45 minutes. So it will be reached 3, 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. So this way it back return and then reach to the, after 45 minutes it reached to the 7, and then see, it is 3 and 4. It will be moved in between 3 and 4, and it will be 7 in between 7. So this way it is 3 o'clock 35 minutes. 3 o'clock 35 minutes. So what we have to write here now? So it is 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So see, it will be 3 o'clock 35 minutes. So what will that time? Our answer is 3 o'clock 35 minutes. Next, again, what will be 35 minutes before 12:40? तो देखिए आपका जो टाइमिंग है बेटा, it is 12:20 now, 12:40. It is 12:40. Means it will be in between 1 hour and it is between 12 and 1, and it is minute hand at 8. Now 35 minutes we have to go back. So see, we will go back now here 35 minutes. You can draw the picture of this clock again here. So see, it is for 35 minutes back जाइए. It is 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. So your minute hand will be reached here. And then see, our hand will be reached at the 12 only. So 12, it is 12 o'clock 5 minutes. So what is your answer here now? It is 12 o'clock 5 minutes. What is your correct answer? Correct answer is 12 o'clock 5 minutes. Now, what will be 20 minutes after 10? After 2:10. अब यहाँ पर हमें आगे जाना है बेटा. After है तो move forward है. तो see, first of all it is 2:10, 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2 here, 4, 5, 7, 8. So it is देखिए, it is 2:10. 2 o'clock 10 minutes. Now see, we have to move here forward. It is 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Now it is what we have to do? We have to move 12:30. कितना मिनट बेटा यहाँ पर? 20 minutes. So from here 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 and 20. So it will be 10:30. So it will be 2 o'clock 30 minutes. What is correct answer now? It is 2 o'clock 30 minutes. It was after, so we move forward here. Now again question number 9. What will be 25 minutes before 4:30? Again it is here before, means we have to move back. अभी हमें पीछे जाना है. तो see, before 4:30. First of all, we have to show the 4:30 here now. See, it is what? It is 4:30. It is 4:30. Now move 25 minutes, 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25. So what will happen? What will happen here? 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So what will happen here now? Your minute hand will be reached at 1. Minute hand आपका 1 पर जाएगा, and then here will be C. Again here you will be at 4. So it will be what? 4 o'clock 5 minutes. 4 o'clock 5 minutes. Okay. So this way we can find out before time and after time of the given time. ओके जो भी टाइम आपको दिया होता है उस टाइम का कितना मिनट बिफोर, हाउ मेनी मिनट्स बिफोर, हाउ मेनी मिनट्स आफ्टर, so we can find out by making this type of the picture and then you will get correct answer. So this is for today's class. Thank you.